Okay. Oh, under fractions. Under fractions and subtitled comparing. Please just note that if the book asks you to compare fractions, changing them to decimals, you must do as they instruct. So here's your for example. And it says compare by making decimals. We've done this. Maybe we haven't. It doesn't matter. Decimals. And here are the two fractions, 3/5 and 5/8. 3/5 and 5/8. Please understand, ladies and gentlemen, your days of drawing pictures to compare fractions have come to a screeching halt long ago. You do not draw shapes to compare fractions simply because it's just stupid. So, generally I would say also changing them to decimals is along that same line because really you should just change them to common denominators. But they said to change it to a decimal. Now you may or may not know how to change these to decimals. For example, 3/5. How would I change that to a decimal? I would look at my little fraction circles. Because 1/5 is what decimal? Do we not have fraction circles?
Oh, yeah, we do.
Did I not just say I would look at my fraction circles?
No. Yes,
I did say that. I would look at my fraction circles under fifths and say 1/5 is
20%.
no, we're decimal. So if 1/5 is 0.2, then 3/5 would be John Murray. Yeah, well, 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2, which is 0.6. 5/8 would be, well, what's 1/8? 0.125?
I'm missing my one.
I can't change that. If you have 5 of those, see, now that might get a little tough for you. If it's too hard for you, you can always, how do we say you can change this to a decimal by doing what? I remember, it was very dramatic when we got together. Doing what? And you don't just put 0.58, because that's what I think Zach suggested. Right? How do you change this to a decimal? If you can't do it with your fraction circles, and if it doesn't come to you, you need to divide, remember, divide the bottom into the top. 8 goes into 5.00, which is what? 8 goes into 50 6 times, right? 8 goes into 20 2 times, and then 8 goes into 40 5 times. So the decimal equivalent of 5/8 is 0.625. And then based on that, which one is smaller / larger?
The one on the right.
625 what? Tens, hundreds, thousands. If you know please don't guess. Okay, if you know this is 0.6, you don't really have to show word for it. If you didn't know this was 0.625, and you couldn't figure out by looking at your fraction circle, you can do that. Another example they give is this. What if you're comparing 3/4 to 0.7? I don't know why this is doing this. Okay, we go wax down the software. By the way, are there any surfers out there? Anybody ever been on the surfboard?
Cassie.
Oh, Cassandra. I have a question then for you, Cassandra. Anybody ever heard of the Beach Boys?
Yeah.
Anybody ever heard of the album Endless Summer? Anyways, one of the songs they sing, you can't, well maybe Cassie can answer this, maybe she can't. In the song they sing, they talk about waxing down their surfboards, not waiting for June. What? What is the
Oh,
song?
it's something.
Surfing USA is the name of the song.
Surfing we will. Oh, I sing that in second grade.
One of the lines in the song says, waxing down our surfboards. Why would you put wax on a surfboard? And if so, where would you put this wax? Cassie? Uh-huh.
I don't know what my dad told us.
I'll bet he does.
But do you?
Waxing down our surfboard. This is because in case you get stuck in a trivia thing, you'll know. Madison, why do you wax it and where do you wax it?
I don't know where on the bottom you wax it.
Why?
Because that way you do.
Nope. Just think of everything Madison said and do the opposite of it.
Okay.
You wax the top of a surfboard because what does wax do? Wax makes water fall off of, like people wax their car, it beads up, it goes away. You don't want your top of your surfboard wet because you're standing on it, you don't want it to be slippery. So you put wax on the top of it, it makes it sticky for your feet. So if you're doing this, then hopefully you know what 3/4 is as a decimal. Think in terms of money, 75 cents, 3/4 of a dollar. If you compare that to 0.7, which one is larger, which one is smaller? Aaron Mouret is bigger or smaller? Is greater than. Like beeswax. Have you ever touched beeswax? Is sticky too, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like if your lip, the stuff you put on your lips, that's just wax. I think that's it, by the way. Yeah, that would be good. Oh, Kara is going homey.
Style. Homie. I want to go home.